So this is our zhara cap. So we want to attach the fan as a design to the zhara cap. So this is the made cap. Then we have two marco that have been wrapped with the Ankara fabric. Then we have the two air clips. So what we are going to do right now, we will take our glue gun, attach it to this place. We attach it to this place as well, so that it will make this fan to stand on the zhara cap. So this is what we have. The fan, this is ready, has been attached to it. So we are going to put the hair clip here, one here, then the other one here, with our glue gun. So this is what we have. Then the next thing we are going to do is take our zhara cap. So we clip it to the back here, this side and this side. So this is what we have. It has been attached to it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get notification of our next video. Thank you very much.